Life can be unpredictable. Unexpected events can happen to anyone at any time. Car repairs, medical bills, and job loss are just a few examples of emergencies that can cause financial stress. But having an emergency fund can help alleviate that stress. An emergency fund is a pool of money set aside to cover unexpected expenses. It's meant to be easily accessible, so that you can quickly access the funds without having to rely on credit cards or loans. Having an emergency fund provides peace of mind, knowing that you have a financial cushion in case of an unexpected event. Financial experts recommend having at least 6 months of living expenses in your emergency fund. Let's take an example. If Chintuji's monthly living expenses are 20,000 rupees, he should aim to have 1,20,000 rupees saved in his emergency fund. This may seem like a lot, but it's important to remember that emergencies can happen to anyone, regardless of income or lifestyle. Start building your emergency fund today, even if it means starting small. Every little bit counts. With an emergency fund, you'll be better equipped to handle any financial emergency that comes your way. Start building your emergency fund today and protect yourself and your family from the unexpected.